quiet. Shops are being closed. We are always tiny. It's been a while we haven't eaten chicken and chips. Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 5:20 here in the Blue Mountains and I'm just having chicken and chips for tonight. And look at the surroundings. So quiet. Shops are being closed at this time. Let's go down and see the main street here in Katoomba. It's really empty. There are a lot of cars parking, but it's just there parking, and I don't know what their businesses are, but this is the real scenario. Empty. What's the name of the chicken shop that we are always tiny? Still open. I think they're gonna close at 6 o'clock. So another 40 minutes. I don't want to feel much. I might get fucking at me. Still waiting. Waiting. Yes, that's my chicken and chips. A lot of business establishments have been closed, and since they're closed, no profit or no income, and a lot of employees are losing their jobs. So I feel sorry for them, but the government is helping. Sobrang tahimik po. Oh, just get home. I was in a hurry because it's getting dark. I wasn't able to bring my eyeglasses. I couldn't drive if it is too dark. Silly thing, isn't it? No, I drove, but it's getting darker. So remember, I need the eyeglasses because I'm scared. I couldn't see. It's blurred. Alright guys, we're having dinner. Let's have something for dinner. Fish. I always saying fish, but it's chicken. I'm so silly. So this is the chips. I don't want to put in place. I'm so hungry. I forgot the milk. I'm so sorry. As I told you, I was in a hurry because it's getting dark and I couldn't drive properly. So. And it's a bit cold outside. It's starting to rain. I looked at the weather forecast here today. And the town is just like a little ghost town. Though there are a lot of cars parking in both sides. I don't know, it's just parking. So Steve had a bit of headache. Me too, that's why I went to the chemist store to buy some tablet. This is the parking. House game, sorry. Is he waiting? It's been a while we haven't eaten chicken and chips. So chicken's a bit fresh, isn't it? So they're just doing takeaway. Yeah. And the fish and chip shop wasn't open down the bottom? No. Remember, I went this morning. I went to the op shop because it's in the same lane. But Danny, they wouldn't be open in the morning because it's closed, temporarily closed. I'm so hungry. I have a fried rice this morning. That's my brunch. You didn't have anything. I had some cereal. I haven't seen eating cereal this morning. Alright guys, this is a bit of update what's going here in the Blue Mountains. It's really quiet. A lot of business have been closed. Authorities are saying please don't travel. Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't, I'm scared to drive. No. There shouldn't be anything to stop them from going up. It's government system. No, it's their government. They'll get their whole house renovated. Alright. Have a good night, guys. And we'll see you on my next video. Smile, it's free. Cheers.